Let's draw the monochrome sketch of this curious monkey. I have used a white poster board or modeling paper to draw this sketch. Modeling paper is a thick, white and smooth paper which provides excellent contrast and a very smooth surface for the pen work. If you don't have poster board handy, you can use a cardboard paper or any smooth paper to achieve the same effect. I have already blocked some rough shapes using a very light pencil stroke. Now I am going to draw over it using a technical pen. For the initial line, I have used a 0.3 tip size pen. While drawing the initial lines, keep the lines a little broken so that any mistakes can be corrected later and overlaps can be accommodated. Make sure the lines follow the contours of the underlying surface rather than drawing straight lines. Now let's finish the initial line work before going on into the details. Let's begin marking out the darkest values using a brush tip pen. Brush tip pen is excellent for blocking large dark areas. You may notice that the black shapes blocked using the brush pen are not perfect shapes like squares or rectangles. Their outlines are a little fuzzy. This is deliberate because I want to merge these black areas with additional pen work later on. Now let's transition from the darkest patches to some lighter area using a technical pen. I am using a thick technical pen of 0.5 or 0.8 tip size to merge with the darkest areas. As we go away from the darkest areas, we will use smaller and smaller tip size pens. While shading with the thick technical pen, make sure you leave out certain area where the skin shows through the thick hair. For example, the parting between the hair on the head. Also pay particular attention to the direction of the strokes when shading. Since the thick hair on this monkey's body obscure all the underlying body contours, the only way to depict the correct body shape is to use the direction of the hair. I am going to add only a few details to this rope just to give it a solid appearance. Unfortunately, I lost some of the footage where I had shaded the face and the eyes. But don't worry, I will show you the details of the shading at the end of the video. When drawing hair, it's always a good practice to draw such loose strands of hair sticking out. This makes the depiction of hair more realistic. Now let's focus on the face and shade along the contours of the face. Keep the hair on the knee very sparse and light. Thicken the hair on the rest of the leg. The hair on the feet should be very thin. Notice the difference between how I shade the front facing surfaces of the finger using vertical hatching lines and how I draw the hair on the hand. The shading is quite uniform with vertical hatching strokes, but the direction of the hair is completely random. Now let's draw a surface for the monkey to sit on. This is a set of wooden planks and we will not add much detail to it, but we will draw a light shadow of the monkey on this surface so that it gives a more realistic feel. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, consider liking and subscribing to the channel and also enable the bell icon to get regular notifications as and when I upload the videos. If you want to know more about my books, video trainings and art gallery, please visit my website HuesAndTones.net. Happy sketching!